Hey guys, this is Jay and today I will show you basic LED circuit. We will open Chrome. We will go to Tinker-Cad.com. We will go to the circuits and we will create a new circuit. So, first we will change the name. So now we will take a LED and take a coin cell battery. The curved line of the LED is anode, means its positive terminal, and the straight line cathode is negative terminal. Now we will rotate the coin cell battery. So the anode, the positive terminal, will go to the positive terminal of coin cell battery. And the negative terminal will go to the negative coin cell battery. And we have to change the color. Now we'll start the simulation. If you want, you can add one LED. Same thing we will do with the second LED. Put the positive to the positive side and negative to the negative side. We'll again start the simulation. It's working. I hope you all enjoyed my video and see you next time. Adios amigos.